Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and today's video is on the original Ladybug Glow palette. And here is what the inside of this palette looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. And to start off, I don't have any blush on today because I also picked up this beautiful Ladybug Glow rose blush, and it's in the shade Soft Rose, and there's a cute little ladybug on it right there. And the inside of this, like, legit looks like a rose. Like, hold on. I kind of messed with it a little bit and got it out of shape or whatever. But look how pretty this is. Like, that really looks like a real rose. And so we're just going to start off using this really quick because I can't wait to use it. I don't want to... Whew. I don't want to mess it up though because it's so pretty. But I've just got my blush brush here and I'm just going to gently kind of dip it in. And let's see what happens. Okay. It's like, hopefully it's showing up. It is the prettiest, just like, well, I was gonna say like rosy tone. It is called Soft Rose. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. All right. So again, I'm just dipping in, going in. This is such a pretty blush. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is just so pretty. Okay. You guys, that is absolutely gorgeous. Just so pretty. All right, now that is so pretty. Like, I am a blushy blush girl, so like this pink is just woo, so pretty. All right, now for this palette, okay. There's some like there are two multi-chromes in here. The shade Stunning and the shade Wow, which is a shade right here. I want to go ahead and just off the bat, I want to swatch these. So this first one is the shade Stunning. I always go to swatch on this hand and I always have like lipstick or something swatched on my hand. So ignore that, you guys. So this is the shade Stunning. Hopefully you can see that shift. It is stunning. And then the next shade is this shade, which is Wow. Oh, these are so soft. I should have probably done this with the other one. Let me go ahead and get the other one on that finger again. So, why didn't I do the two fingers together? This is not, you guys, I'm a mess. Y'all know, but like, can you just see that? And then this one. Okay, so now this is the shade Wow, I think. Hold on, did I just mess up? Let's do this over on the other hand, you guys, because yeah, I totally did. I swatched the same one on the same hand twice. Okay, let's start over. So we're gonna start off with the shade Stunning. If I tell y'all, like, it has been a day. So that's the shade Stunning right there. And then the shade Wow, which, let me make sure my finger is clean so we get a nice, good, clean swatch there. All right, and this is the shade Wow, which is that one right there. So these are absolutely just gorgeous. Okay, so let's get started. I want to start out with, I kind of had a vision, but I'm not really sure if my vision is gonna work. Let's start off with the shade Cute, which is this shade right here. I feel like every look I've been doing lately has been, has been like blue or green, so I'm trying to do something different today. And yesterday's look was like a disco ball, so that's a whole nother story, but you guys will see that someday on this channel. I'm not really sure like what's gonna go up when. It's just kind of because my husband like does the videos, so it's kind of like whenever he gets a chance to do it, that's when things go up, so I never really know. All right. Now, I want to go in with, let's start with the shade Boom, which is this like really, really, really pretty bright orange. Because again, I'm trying to do something that's not blue or green, because that is just what has been happening lately every time I pick up a palette. So we are just doing something different today. Now I'm gonna go in with that red shade, which is Loud, which is this shade right here. I'm just kind of trying to put that like more lower in the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna try something and I hope it works. I just have this feeling that these, that like the multi-chromes would look really, really, really cool over a black shade. So we're gonna pack some black onto the lid and then do one of the multi-chromes over it and see what happens. Cause I don't know, I feel like that would look really, really, really cool. And I'm just trying to keep this like lower on the lid, not get too high with that shade. Okay, now for the other eye. This is a very, very, very pigmented black shade, by the way. Now, so I am going to try and put a little bit of glitter glue down, like on that inner portion of the eye, and just gently kind of spread it like a little bit into the black. Okay. Now I have to figure out which one of these shades I want to go in with, because they're both, I'm just swatching them again lower on my arm so I can kind of get a better look at them. Not in the lights, because the lights do totally mess with how things look. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Stunning. It's just this one right here. This is like such a soft shade. That looks so cool, you guys. Like, that's pretty. Like, I'm hoping it's showing up just as good on camera, because oh my goodness. Like, that's so pretty. That is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's just, oh, it's like exactly what this look needed. I am, whew, so pretty. I just realized I don't know what I did to my lower, like under eye, but it's looking a bit hot messy right now. That's okay. All right, now back in with the glitter glue a little bit. And we're just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. All right. Just patting that down. And just gonna go in with that same shade called Stunning, and it is very, very, very stunning. Very appropriately named. We're just gonna put that on. Like, such a pretty, pretty shade. And it looks so cool over the black too. I just absolutely love how this look has turned out. All right, so for the lower lash line, let's go in with the purple shade, 1999. Just do a little bit more. Okay, and then for that lower inner corner highlight, if I can find a right brush, we're gonna go in with the shade Wow, which is that shade right there. Just so pretty. So pretty. And I'm just putting it like down into the middle of the eye just because it's so pretty and I just love the way that it looks. Alright. So you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. So I'm back, you guys, and this is the finished look. And I love how these shades look. I love just those melty chromes are just so freaking beautiful, you guys. So again, this was the original Ladybug Glow palette. And here is what the inside of this looks like. You guys know I've fallen in love with this brand. And again, I did use the rose blush as well. And I forgot, I didn't put a highlight on earlier because I hadn't done my blush yet. And I always do like bronzer, then blush, then highlight. So I did add some highlight. I just put like an iridescent highlight on, which I did layer like a little bit of it on top of the blush. And it looks so pretty. So again, here is that blush. It really, it's like, I think it's just called like the rose blush, and it really does look like a rose. Like, that is so cool. And this was the shade Soft Rose. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the palette. You guys know, like, just look at this. It's just so pretty. It's just, I'm in love. So that's it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for supporting this channel, for giving the video a thumbs up, commenting, subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. I hope y'all have a wonderful morning, day, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Just remember that you're loved, you're amazing. I hope you guys do something that makes you smile today, and I'll see y'all in the next one.